New reaction Friday from the World Health Organization to Pfizer's plans to ask regulatory authorities, including the U.S. FDA, to authorize a third dose, a booster shot, of its coronavirus vaccine within the next month. The WHO telling Reuters, "We don't know whether a booster vaccine will be needed to maintain protection against COVID-19 until additional data is collected." But they add the question is under consideration by researchers. Pfizer revealed Thursday they're stepping up efforts to develop a third dose over immunity concerns. It's based on evidence out of Israel, the drug maker says, of greater risk of reinfection 6 months after inoculation and the fast-spreading Delta variant. But the U.S. FDA and CDC coming out together saying Americans don't need boosters yet, and that it's not up to companies alone to decide when they may be needed. The White House echoing that take Friday.
The CDC and the FDA put out a pretty clear statement last night after the announcement by Pfizer, making clear that Americans who have been fully vaccinated do not need a booster shot at this time. I'd also note that they are constantly engaged in a rigorous process to consider when a booster might be necessary. But I can't make a prediction of that. That's going to be led by the data and by the science.
Pfizer says its research shows booster doses produce levels of neutralizing antibodies that are 5 to 10 times higher than what's produced after 2 doses. So what's the reaction like here at home? Health Canada releasing a statement Friday saying in part currently people who are fully vaccinated are protected from severe disease and death, including from the variants currently circulating. The duration of protection from 1 or 2 doses of COVID-19 vaccines is currently being studied. Now, they go on to say emerging data to date shows good immunity in most people out to 9 months after receiving 2 vaccine doses. There may be a difference, they say, in people with compromised immune systems. And there are studies ongoing in certain groups like transplant recipients with a third dose. It is also unknown, they say, if additional booster doses will be required to provide long-term protection, in particular with the emergence of variants of concern. Health Canada says currently Pfizer has not sent a submission to them for approval of a booster shot. Melissa Duggan, City News.